Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 1956 Pontiac Chieftain we just got in. Beautiful car. It's a salmon over gray. It's got a factory V8, 316 cubic inch motor, automatic turbo hydromatic trans in it, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, blows ice cold. Beautiful repaint. Bumpers have been re-chromed. Beautiful glass. There's a couple little fine scratches in the front windshield. Other than that, the windows roll up and down nice. Got a great look to it. All the moldings are in nice shape. Door handles, rear tail light bezels are showing a little age if you look hard at it. Factory 15-inch wheels with newer white wall radial tires. Got a great look to it. Really runs and drives fantastic. Updated Edelbrock carburetor with electric choke. Does have the spare and jack in the trunk. The four-door hardtops are getting rare. They're hard to find now. Car's got a great look to it. Two-tone interior. Even the hood ornament lights up. All the gauges, the lights, the factory dash, everything works. Horn, wipers, factory AM radio works in it. Got a great look to it. Beautiful door jambs. Little aging in the door rubbers. It was an older cosmetic restoration. But beautiful lips on the bottom of the doors. Undercarriage is all lightly blacked out over the years. Newer exhaust. As you can see how clean the door jambs are. Got a optional tissue dispenser in it. Even the dome light works. All the nice material on the headliner. Dash is all painted high gloss. Doors shut nice, all the alignment, nice gaps. This car's got the look. You just don't see them anymore. Look at them bumpers. Said hood ornament line, all lights up here. Take a look under the hood here. Sorry, it's hard to do one-handed. I'll come back, do a second video here. Updated halogen headlights in it. Looking down the passenger side here. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. There are some few paint blemishes you gotta hunt down on it, like they all do, but this is the ultimate cruiser. Take it to your shows, the way it sits, and then go enjoy yourself. Doors jambs are. Love buying cars like this. Just jump in them and drive them. If you have any questions at all, my name's Dave. Our number is 586-791-0778. ShowdownAuto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.